A critical reasoning question. This is an easy question. Paragraph says it is unfortunate that many people doubt the credibility of the manager in giving a fair hearing to the workers. His records show that in 60% of the registered grievances, he has judged in favor of the worker. Is the manager credible based on the fact that he has judged in favor of the worker in majority of the registered grievances? He might have judged in favor of the worker for other reasons also. So that is the flaw here. The above argument is flawed as it ignores the possibility that. Now let us look at the options. A large number of grievances, option 1, a large number of grievances arose out of allegations against the manager, and if he has judged in favor of the worker, then this is not a flaw, so this cannot be the right option. Option 2, it is difficult for most managers to listen objectively to the workers' demands. It's vague. Option 3, the manager is biased against the workers when it comes to increasing the pay rates. This is some new data which is being furnished, again not enough to expose a flaw in the argument. It's again slightly, we can say, off track. Option 4, the workers are conscientious and have explained only when they could not resolve the problem on their own. Again getting very vague. What about option 5? The manager is more inclined towards improving his reputation in the company. Yeah, this could be one of the possibilities. Why the manager is judging in favor of the workers? He is more inclined towards improving his reputation. This is something which is being ignored. This possibility is being ignored. Hence option 5 is the best option.